Greetings everyone! Warm welcome to my channel. This is your Vaishnavi. This is a Coca-Cola store in Niagara Falls. This is located near the Hershey chocolate factory. This is a flippable squishmallow that is happy to mad. This is a gift store also located near the Hershey factory. You can get many Canadian branded items here. If you travel to Canada, you can buy something for your memory. If you are a Canadian traveling to different countries, you can gift this item to other country people. You can see Canadian moose, bear, maple leaf, maple syrup, honey, small bags, lots of gift items here. They are very unique. Prices are affordable. I try to take the video of the full store. I hope it helps you for your next visit to Niagara Falls. Traveling is really good. Many people get healed by traveling. When you travel, you can see new people, new experience. This new experience will help you to develop your life. I love traveling. I will keep posting my traveling videos. This is a famous Rainforest cafe and gift store. In this cafe, you can feel a little bit raining inside. When you are in the cafe, you feel like you are in the foresty land. I cannot go inside the cafe, but I can take video from outside. This gift store has rainforest-themed items. When I walk, I feel I am in an African rainforest. Look at the toy snake. Do Vaishnavi the explorer. Do Vaishnavi. I am exploring froggies in the rainforest. Oh my God! Different color froggies! These are the fossilized crystal geode from Morocco. It is an oldest marine animal lived millions years ago. Era 416 to 443. They are like our starfish and urchins nowadays. These old millions of years marine animals remain called fossilized crystal geode. They used to meditation. It is believed that fossils have metaphysical and spiritual beliefs that can positively influence the overall well-being of a person. I bought this one, an amethyst crystal. This also used for meditation. I will be going to put good information about fossils and crystals in my new channel called Sparkling Little Star. Look at this snake! It's top of the tree! It's moving its head! I put my new channel link in the description box below. In that channel, I will talk about my meditation experience, yoga, mudras, how kids and others benefit from yoga, etc.
And souvenirs right here in the rainforest.
How did that come out of there?
Come on, Kiki. Come on.
Now that's a snake. I didn't put that much video in my new channel yet. Will be soon. Please give your support for that channel too. I believe you enjoyed this video. Stay safe. Please give your support by subscribe, share, comment, and like. Thank you for watching my channel. Be positive, kids. We can handle this COVID hard time. Don't be stressed. Stay healthy. Eat healthy food. Think positive. Do some yoga. Go for a walk. Do some painting. Do your favorite things. that makes you happy. I will meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.